Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to my Fiverr account. I have over 15 years experience in the fashion industry as a designer and design manager based in London. I have worked with many UK and European high street stores, of which many of my designs have become top sellers. I am very passionate about creating top sellers for the businesses and individuals that I work for. I have expertise in trends, colour forecasting and fabric development. I can create your designs into a commercial tech pack that are easily translated for production to reduce any risk. This will also reduce your sampling costs. This has been learned over many years of travelling to the factories in China and Bangladesh. I also supply measurement specs. I offer two options on this. The first option is a development spec, which is one size only and ideal for sampling purposes. Otherwise, I offer a graded spec, which is your full size set used for production. I hope you like what you see, and please feel free to drop me a message, and I hope I can answer any questions that you have. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.